Hi, my name is Cameron and I'm an account executive here at Automotive Elegance. Here with me I have a 2022 Porsche Panamera e-Hybrid. This vehicle does 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds and is powered by a twin turbocharged V6 motor with 455 horsepower. During this vehicle's time at Automotive Elegance, we protected it with XPEL Ultimate Paint Protection Film with our Platinum Plus package. In our Platinum Plus package, we cover the full hood, full fenders, front bumper, mirror caps, as well as the lower doors. So from this body line back, the vehicle is protected from anything that may kick up while the front wheels are powering this vehicle. And also, the rear wheels are protected as well from this rear impact area on the lower part of the rear bumper. We also did an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle, meaning that all the painted surfaces, as well as the glass and the wheel faces, are hydrophobic and oleophobic, meaning that no dirt is going to stick onto the paint. It's going to make the vehicle super easy to clean. This is a very popular package with a lot of our Porsche customers, as they expect the best protection for their vehicle to make sure that it stays in the best quality that it can be. We look forward to seeing you here at our shop soon. And if you have any questions or want to schedule an appointment, please feel free to reach out. We look forward to hearing from you.